Good morning, friends. This is the world waking up. By the time you listen to it, the sun might have been up for a while. It's Saturday. And in New Jersey, the parks are open and some restaurants are opening for takeout, but they're preparing to open all the way. There's a feeling of new beginnings. There's an appreciation for the sun today because it's been raining quite a bit in most places that I know, especially on the East Coast. There's a gentle wind this morning. You can hear the chimes, you can hear the birds. The day is waking up. People are talking about gardening today, walking in the parks, enjoying the outside, enjoying the Saturday, May 2nd, 2020. You can hear the morning doves, all the different birds this morning, waking up. It's such a beautiful sound. This is the first night I turned the heat all the way off all night. And I'm not out in a winter coat. And I've got flip-flops on my feet. Which for people who know me know that it's most of the year I could put flip-flops on my feet. But especially this month I have. I'm a barefoot girl. Are you appreciating this day? Another day alive. Sending healing and joy and peace and health to everyone on the planet. That we all wake up. That we all wake up to a better day, a better life. Letting go of anger and righteousness. Letting go of fear. And it should be different. How do we come into the now, into the moment, and see what we can do with it? We're all artists at life. We all create life on our own canvas. What does your canvas look like? Mine is full of sunrises, as you might guess. Full of color, full of life and opportunities. We all have a canvas that we paint every day. Take this moment to paint your canvas. What do you want your day to be like? How do you want to live your life today? Appreciate, co-create, and have the best day. If you're fortunate to be working, being grateful for that. If you're grieving, it's not an easy day, and I appreciate that. Sending love to all on the planet. There are some that have more freedom now to be, and there are many who are not able to leave their town. There's checkpoints so that you don't pass the virus from one area to another. So where we are is not so bad. Let's raise up our energy and our intention and take care of ourselves and one another and help raise this possibilities of getting out and being together in community, going to restaurants and stores and beaches but staying safe. It's not going to be like it was before. This virus has a cycle that might last as long as 2 years, so we're going to have to keep careful and have distancing. if we want to stay well, if we want to stay open. So figure out, how am I going to make the best of this situation, and how am I going to stay alive, and how am I going to stay employed, and how am I going to stay healthy, and how am I going to enjoy this most glorious day that I've been given today. I lost a child in half an hour. I know the preciousness of each moment. We never know what's going to happen to any of us. And that's what makes me especially grateful for every day. And it's why I feel the way I feel and share what I share. I watched a father die for 21 years in and out of hospitals and critical care. And I watched a daughter die in half an hour. I know life and death. I know the preciousness of each life, of each moment, of each breath. And that's why I teach Be the Medicine. And that's why I teach self-care and how to help others. Because I know I've been through some of the worst. And I know how to make the best of it, and how to be healthy, and how to be happy through everything. And I pray you don't have to have horrible things happen to appreciate. I pray that you wake up this morning and see the beautiful May 2nd with all its possibilities, and let go of all the heaviness, of all the knots. It's not this, it's not that, it's not the other thing. But what is it for you? How can you make it better? Dream a good dream today. What do you want to make of today? And appreciate each moment, because we never know what the next moment will bring. We've got a nice breeze going. The birds don't stop chirping though, do they? They keep singing their song. The chimes are beautiful this morning with the wind. Have a most beautiful, creative, enjoyable day, whatever you want it to be. If you want to be miserable, we do have permission to be miserable. I just don't choose that. I don't like it. It's not fun. I like to have fun. Even in the worst of times, I try to make the best of times. And may you find your way through this gorgeous day. And when you go to bed tonight, may you say, it was a great day. And just leave it at that. Saturday, May 2nd, 2020. We're coming out slowly, carefully, wisely. Have a great day. Janet Straight Arrow, Be the Medicine. Live the power of you. BeTheMedicine.com. Many blessings. Have a great one.